Today in our 2013 Ford Escape, we're going to be test fitting the Rhino-Rack Roof Rack System consisting of part numbers RRRVA137B-2. These are the Vortex Aero Crossbars, 54 inches long. Part number RRRLKVA. This is the 2500 series legs for the Vortex Aero Crossbars. And part number DK375, and this is the custom fit kit for the Ford Escape. The Rhino-Rack Roof Rack System is great for carrying a wide variety of accessories on your roof while freeing up space inside your vehicle. This can carry bike racks, cargo baskets, cargo boxes, ski and snowboard carriers, and even kayak carriers. The elliptical shape of the bars, combined with the Vortex Aero strips on top, is going to cut down wind noise and drag while you drive. And if we open up our end cap here with our included tool, you can see it also can receive T-slot accessories such as bike racks or other items. Each of the legs on our roof rack system come with a lock installed on them, so once you install this to your vehicle, it's going to be secured to the roof of your vehicle as well. And finally, these bars have a carrying capacity of 165 pounds, although you always want to double check with your vehicle's manual to make sure it can withstand those weights. Now that we've gone over some of the features of the roof rack system, let's go ahead and show you how it installs. We already have our front bar installed, and how we did that after all the assembly was done, we put it into place, and then we measured back from the center of the door jamb here back to this area here. Let's go ahead and show you how the rear bar goes together. We already have our one side put together, so what we'll do is we'll flip our bar upside down. Then we'll take our leg here, making sure that the top portion here is loose up, so we can slide that into our T-track at the bottom of our crossbar. So we'll slide that on like so. Now in the instructions, they will give you a specific measure from this area back, and then we'll have a strip that you'll put in that place, cut it to length, and that's where it's going to stay. But for demonstration purposes, we'll go ahead and just measure it out according to the instructions. Bring our leg in, then use our included tool and tighten that leg down. Next, we'll take our foot pads here, and these are going to go on the bottoms of our legs. Just make sure you have the proper one for the proper leg. Push that in place. And you want to make sure that the arrow is facing in the right direction. See, since we have this upside down, when we flip it up, this portion is going to be facing towards the front of the vehicle. Now our next step is we're going to take our clamp and place that at the end here. But first, we have to loosen up the screw here. Then we'll line up our holes and just loosely install a bolt. Our final step before we place this onto the roof is we're going to install our end cap here and just push that into place, just like that. You got to make that sound when we do it. We'll take our locking mechanism here that does come with it, turn it like that. Now it's secure into place. Let's go ahead and set this on our roof. And setting this in place, just be very careful because you don't want your clamp to hit the top of your vehicle. So we'll set the driver's side down first, then gently set down our passenger side. And our next step is to refer to the instructions and again get that center to center bar measurement for our crossbar spread. We get this measured out. And we'll be sure to do this on both sides. Our next step is to start tightening down our clamps to our vehicle. And we'll first get it snug up against the door frame here. Again, take our tightening tool. Just get it snug. Once we have it snug on both sides, then we'll start giving it about 5 or 6 turns each side. How you know this is going to actually be completely tightened down, you can see at the end here of our tool, there's a curve to it. As we turn this here, when it's completely tightened and torqued, it's going to straighten out like you see there. Now we know it's torqued down and we don't have to do any more turns. Now we can get our locking end caps, put those into place, and there you have it for our Rhino-Rack Roof Rack System on our 2013 Ford Escape.
Click the link below to shop, learn more, or visit us at eTrailer.com.